Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Grab yourself a sweet tea and come see where we've been to this time. Today we are spending the day in Louisville, Kentucky. Our first stop is to the Louisville Slugger factory and museum. My brother is a Reds fan and he got his picture with Johnny Bench's bat. Now, as it said on the screen, no video was allowed on the tour of the factory, so you will see pictures from the tour here. My brother was excited to be able to hold Ellie De La Cruz's bat. This here is signatures of the players that have visited the factory, and from what our tour guide said, Christian Yelich is the only player to sign his deal to use Louisville Bats inside the factory. Now we are taking a river walk along the Ohio River. Now, while the thought of pushing my brother into the river may have crossed my mind, I refrained from doing it. And now to watch a minor league game with the Indianapolis Indians against the Louisville Bats. Dave was for the Bats since they're the AAA team for the Reds. Pops and I, we just wanted to watch a good ball game.
Alright, we'll just meet you right outside.
Let me know in them there comments if you've ever been here or if there is something that we missed. Also, don't y'all forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can see y'all back here next time.